Alright guys, so I look creepy, huh? I'm so sorry. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and get started today on this eyelash. I cut myself, and so I don't have like a band-aid, so I just put like a little cotton ball and I put some tape until I get a band-aid. So we are gonna do just the bottom lash line that's like a little bit smoky and very pretty using the Patrick Starrr and MAC collection. I tried recording this, guys, 2 times already, so this is gonna be the 3rd time. Every time I would do it, I just didn't like it, to be honest. I'm being completely honest. So let's just rerun it all and just see what we can get. And then I'm gonna do my under eye after, because I have foundation and everything all over, except for here I have absolutely nothing. So let's get started, and thank you guys for tuning in today. Okay, I am taking the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a little bit of that and then put it all over the eyelids. And then next what I'm gonna be doing is I'm taking the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette, and I'm taking the white color, and I'm gonna go ahead and just place that all over the eyelid with a big Morphe brush. Alright, so this is what we have so far. We're gonna go ahead and take a big fluffy brush. I'm taking the tapered blending brush from Sigma with this beautiful mauve color right here. I'm gonna take the mauve color all through the crease just to build a little bit of dimension. Alright. Okay, so now we're just gonna go ahead and curl our eyelashes and apply some mascara. Because my eyelashes are straight down, I usually only do from the middle to the top with mascara. And I might do a video on how I curl and do my lashes. So once we have that, we're gonna go ahead and pick up our eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Eyeliner, and I'm just gonna kind of do like an outer corner kind of thing. So I'm gonna go ahead and just right above where my pupil is, that's where I want the line to kind of start. I don't want it to go any like inner than that. And as I get closer to the inside, I'm just gonna tap, 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 and I'm gonna stop right there. So I'm gonna do the other side, and then I will meet you guys right back. This is where we are right now. We just have the liner, and then I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna retake that same mauve color and just kind of darken up a little bit the crease, just very lightly. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that out. So we're gonna go ahead and apply some lashes. I'm just gonna pick up any lashes that I have here in front of me. Where's my lash line? Where's my lash line? I honestly don't know the name of it, only because I have them in a little pouch, and they're just like, so they're these. I'm sure they're House of Lashes. They're very thick and beautiful. I'm gonna apply those on my eyes. You guys want to see me put on lashes? Why not? It's like such a small, like, little video. Watch. Always kind of clean your lashes off. I mean, always clean your little tweezers off if you're gonna use tweezers. I've been putting on lashes for years now, so that's why I do tweezers, but I don't know, it just depends on you. So let's take the first lash, shall we? They've already been sitting down for a little while with the glue, so I'm gonna go ahead and pop them on, and I'm gonna look down. These are House of Lashes, and you know how I can tell? The band. The band on these House of Lashes are always so thick. And I always have to cut them because if not, they literally go all the way in. And I mean, I guess maybe if you like that. I don't know. You want to make sure to kind of tug on them until they're ready to go. Until you feel like they're sitting on your eye perfectly. And then I kind of give them a little lift. So crazy. Just because your lashes are on does not mean that you're done. So you want to make sure to take your original eyeliner and then just go over the band to erase the band from the visibility of it. I'm going to take this time to make the outer corner a little bit thicker. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize it was like recording all of that. So once you have your lashes on and your liner exactly how you like it, you can move on. I'm not there yet. There's something right here that's bothering me. Alright. That's as good as it's gonna get. Okay. So on to the next. We're taking this beautiful Sephora smudge brush, and it's so tiny. I love tiny brushes. I don't know why. I'm getting oily right there. And I'm picking up this color right here. I'm gonna load that on to the brush and then just chop it off. And then we're gonna get started. I'm gonna start right in the middle of the eye and just slowly start to blend it out. I love it. What a great collection, Patrick. So if you guys notice, this one is way down here and this one isn't even starting to touch. I want to bring it way down here. Let me see if I can bring you in. Of course I can. Right here is a little crease for me, and then there's a little crease right here for me. That's where I want to get to. So just by slowly blending, you can get the results that you're looking for. All right, since I have you guys so close to me right now, like right here, I'm gonna take the Laura Geller Gilded Honey and I'm gonna go ahead and highlight into the inner corner. And then taking my M506, which I'm in love with, I'm gonna blend that out first. And then I'm gonna blend out the bottom. What a beautiful color. I'm like so obsessed with this color. Alright, I'm taking you back. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my under eye now. Using the KKW Beauty number 5, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this. I literally have foundation and powder everywhere but here, so I did highlight here and all of that, but I'm not going to do it for the video because I already have powder and it would be crazy. So I'm going to take the little brush that it came with and start to blend it out. Yes, hunter. Alright, so this is where we're at, and I'm obviously so happy with the results so far. I think it looks so good. I'm going to take a yellow brightening powder. This is from the Shade and Light palette, and again, I think yellow is just going to be perfect because of the purple. Now I'm going to go ahead and set everything with a spray. And then taking the beautiful Whisper of Guilt, I'm going to go ahead and pop that onto the highest points of my cheek. And I do that by just kind of, I move my head around where the light is, and I could just kind of see where I'm going to apply that. Alright, next what we're going to do is I'm going to bring you in a little bit because we're almost done with the bottom, but not fully. I'm going to go ahead and take my brush, the M506, and blend that out. Oh, so cute, so cute. And I'm gonna go ahead and just apply that on the lower lash line. Alright, so I did apply a little bit of Warm Soul Mineral Blush just on the apples of the cheek. And I am taking MAMASTARRR Kiss from the same collection, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply it on my lips. I did already have a little bit of the Sweet MAMASTARRR lipstick under it. That's why they already kind of looked muted out. And then I just applied some of the gloss over it. So this look is everything. I'm so happy I took 3 times to get it right, but I would wear this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to talk to you guys later. Bye.